Hello friends and welcome to Winner's Edge UPHESC Advertisement number 51 English Literature Only Practical Transcription for UPHESC, and I am Dr. Rajneesh Mishra, PhD UGC NET to UPHESC Selections 2046 and 50, rank 13 and 18. Before we launch into the thing, let's begin with the revision of the IPA chart, and then we'll go and see the first worksheet of ours, and then we'll talk a little bit about transcription and how it can be done in a better manner. But then remember, practice is everything. So along with whatever I am supplying, along with what I'm telling you, you will actually have to practice, and we here will help you. But before we begin anything, there is an important note for you. I need to know how many of you want more practice in transcription. I also need to know how many of you find Unit 9, that is Linguistics, difficult and need support to master it for UPHESC 51 paper. That is B. These two things, okay. One is focused on transcription and two is the whole Unit 9, Linguistics unit. Why am I asking that? Well, then because I tried my best in linguistics, and I overcame my obstacles, and I could do well in that part of the paper. So I think I can help you over there. Therefore, I have a plan for you. You have to inform me through comment section or through my mail ID. At the end of this video, my mail ID is there, and there are other videos also. My mail ID, you'll get it. It's rajneeshmishravarnasi@gmail.com. Now, after you inform me, I'll start working on it. But then, if you don't inform me, I will think and believe that most of you don't need it. Therefore, I will not work on linguistics. Instead, I'll work on something else on priority basis. So please do inform me. Your feedback is very, very important. So to begin with, the IPA chart: 20 vowel symbols, 12 pure and 8 diphthongs, 24 consonant symbols. Now, as you can see, some of them you know already, some of them may be new to you. So I have devised the V method of Smart IPA for you. We will use what you know already to send into your memory permanently what you are learning in case of English language. So we'll use swar, the Hindi swar, Hindi Varnamala swar for the pure vowels. There are three kinds of sounds in English: and So ago, hut, and earth, three kind of sounds. Then there are other pure vowels. When I'm putting one in front of other and putting the is equal to sign, it does not mean that they are equal. It's is equal to is the kind of mnemonic formula to remind you that they are related, and you can arrange the English vowel symbols also just like that. There is little equivalence between actual sounds in many cases. This is only to make the connections easy. So a, I, e, o, u, e, o, and o. The real sounds are a, I, u, u, e, o, and o. If you look at the last two sounds, for example, it's not in English. It's not o or o. It is o and o. So you see the difference, but then it makes it easy to remember. Then diphthongs are easy. Three bunches of three flowers in one bunch, you may say, and petals 3, 3, and 2 in these flowers. So one that ends in ua, one that ends in e, I, o, a, and one that ends in u, ow, and ew. You know, so you visualize yourself holding three flowers. One of them has two petals and the other two have three petals. You can also visualize them in colors and put these symbols on the petals, and you got a whole mnemonic vision going in front of you. Consonants are much easier to remember. 17 out of 24, you already know them. Only here is going to cause problem because it looks like J and it's pronounced like Y sound. So I put a star mark in front of it at the end, the Y sound. Other sounds are pabatada kaga, same as they are written. Favasaza ha, same as it is written. Ma and na. There are 7 consonant sounds that are different from the way they are written. So the non-Roman alphabet consonants, there are 7 in number: ng or iya, chaja, shaja, thada. The easiest to remember is tha, our old friend from science formulas, theta. and the is from delta. So the, theta, delta. Then you take sa and you take z. You pull sa by its nose and feet, elongate it, and you get this sh. You pull z by its feet and make it backward, you get a zh. Now, these are mnemonic formulas. I mean, that actually does not happen. Then you take the sh sound, put it in front of t to get ch, and you take the zh sound, put it in front of d to get zh, and finally, you give a monkey's tail to na, and you get anga. This was the worksheet, the first worksheet. The first quiz was also related, kind of, in the level of difficulty, in the kind of emphasis on simpler words. Uh, More or less, they were of similar levels, but then in my result analysis of quiz 2, you may have seen that you guys have not performed very well in that. So, I mean, from there arose the need of going into transcription. So, decided to help here because I think I could help. Therefore, I created a transcription whiteboard video for you. You can see a snapshot of the same here. I explained step by step, word after word after word, sound after sound after sound, how to do it. This is the first in the series of transcriptions. As I told you, when you inform me through comments and through mails, then I'll start working on more the subsequent tutorials on transcription. So everything is in your hand now. Please do inform me, mail me, comment, and then also go here and check this tutorial. I am going to paste the link down in the description box. You can click it from there also, and the link is here in the video also. You can totally see it. So just go and check it, and also tell me there if it is very difficult, it is very simplistic, whatever your feedback is about it. Do tell me. Now, you've been visiting and with this channel for some time now. So if you like this video, please do click on the like button below. If you want more such videos, if you want more material, then just subscribe. And when I upload more videos, of course, you will get updated. There is more coming on this channel, and you are going to demand for it, and you are going to get it. So stay in touch and keep informing me and giving. Do you have some suggestions for videos to upload? Do tell me through comments and mails. You want something to ask about UPHESC Advertisement 51 English literature paper? I'm here to help you, but then you have to actually ask me. So you can use comments and mail for the same. You are in this channel. You can go to the channel page and check the videos and browse to them. You can subscribe to the channel so that you get more and more information. You may also like to join me in Facebook. This is the link. This is my contact mail, rajnishmishravarnasi@gmail.com. Happy reading. All the best.